Yeah, it's
It
great
is
to be
old, but,
back. I mean, it's been a long haul to get here, but we're thrilled to be back and thrilled to be having the movie here, being celebrated on both sides of the street after over 40 years.
Yeah, and to have Indiana Jones back, I think, not just for those of us who made the movie, but for everybody else. I mean, it's such an excitement to be having fun with this character again.
Well, I think that's what's great about tonight is there are generation after generation that there are kids that are now grown up who saw Raiders of the Lost Ark, and now they're here tonight and they're bringing their kids. So it's great to have this generation, a new generation, discover Indiana Jones.
No, and I also think that it just brings back so much when people step back into the theater on this fifth movie. They're going to feel the same. They're going to see a character that they kind of felt like they grew up with. And I think that that's a powerful thing to share with family and friends, and I think that's the excitement that comes along with this.
Well, kind of the same excitement they've discovered on the other films. We're still a family. It's been a long time getting here, but we're still a family. They're going to discover the family of Indiana Jones. There's a lot of callbacks and a couple of characters from the other movies, so it's going to be really fun to see how that plays out.
I think also it's remarkable to me that Harrison Ford has stood the test of time in the way that he has. And I think that that's what will really excite people, is that they'll feel like they're home again. They've stepped in to a new movie, but they feel like it's very familiar.